Hey, welcome to this session. Today we're going to be talking about modules and how to keep them organized. Things are getting a little bit tougher as we progress, but I know you got this. And as always, I am not here to just teach you. I'm here to help you understand your CRM better so you can get the best use out of it. All right, so let's get into it. Today we're going to click on the settings on the left-hand side, and we're going to scroll down on this sidebar to customization, and we're going to click modules and fields. So this is going to show us all the modules that we have in the system. So that way we can manage them better instead of going one by one. And so this is really beneficial to know how to do this because you want to keep things in your system in an organized way so that you're not overwhelmed with things that you don't use anymore, or they're in an order in which it doesn't really serve you while you're working on your day-to-day. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to show you how to remove a module. So sometimes a module is no longer relevant and you need to get it out of the system because you're not using it. So if we go to one of the modules we've created in here, okay, so if we click the three dots right here next to the module name, we can delete this module if we need to. We can also turn it off. So let's say that we're not using it, but we may use it in the future, and deleting it feels a little bit extreme. We have this button over here that we can toggle on and off. So if I click off, then we won't see that module when we're using the system. So I do think that just turning the module off is a better option than completely deleting it, because you never know. You don't want to lose the data that you already had in that module, and you never know when you may need it again. Now, the way that these modules are laid out on this list is how you're going to see them in the system. So you can also rearrange them. So for example, maybe I use sales inbox a lot. I would just click, there's a few dots on the left-hand side of this. So you just click that, and I could just drag it up to the top. So now I will see sales inbox at the top of my list instead of all the way down here in the middle. So you can rearrange the modules as well. The last thing that I'm going to show you is you can create a new module. So let's say that you are a real estate agent and you need a module for your properties. So we can create a new module. It'll ask if you want to create an organization module. That'll be for the whole organization. Everyone can use it, or a team module. So this will be just for a certain group of people. So I'm going to click organization module. And now we can give our module a name. And then all we're going to do is start creating our sections and our fields inside of this module. So if you haven't watched the video yet about the sections and fields, I recommend that you go back and watch that and then come back to this, because you're going to need that knowledge to proceed.